There is nothing new about the construction of tall statues. Taller statues have been constructed since ancient times and make a significant space in the tourism industry of their respective countries. Most of these taller statues across the world are of great personalities or related to some important events of history. These structures have the kind of heights to make them the key attractions of the cities. Many people had information that the Statue of Liberty is the tallest statue in the world, but it doesn't even make it to the top 10 list. Welcome to Mega Luxury. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss amazing videos from us. So, let's explore the top 10 tallest statues in the world. Number 10. Awaji Kannon, Hyogo Prefecture, Japan. As known as World Peace Giant Kannon, Awaji Kannon is a giant statue located at an abandoned building that consists of a museum and a temple in Awaji Island. The statue portrays Kannon, an eminent Buddhist goddess known as Guanyin in Chinese. Its white outline is visible from every location of the island. Construction of Awaji Kannon started in 1977 by Toyokichi Okunai, realtor from the Okuchi Group. The statue sits on a 5-story pedestal building that is 80 meters or 66 feet tall, with a 6th-floor observation deck within the statue. Okuchi managed the building until his death in 1988. His wife took over and continued to operate, but also died in 2006. In March 2020, the statue and the surrounding land became property of the Japanese government. The crumbling facilities, in addition to a February 2020 incident in which someone committed suicide by jumping from the observation deck, led to unease among the local population. In April 2020, it was announced that the statue is to be demolished by the end of 2022. Number 9. The Motherland Calls, Mamayev, Kurgan in Volgograd, Russia. The Motherland Call is the tallest statue of a woman in the entire world and one of the world's highest statues. It is an allegorical image of the motherland calling its kids to resist the enemy and carry on their further attack. The statue is extremely complex from an engineering point of view owing to its unique structure that has a sword raised high in the right hand while the left hand is extended to call someone. When the memorial was dedicated in 1967, it was the tallest statue in the world, measuring 85 meters from the tip of its sword to the top of the plinth. The plinth measures another 2 meters and is installed on a concrete foundation with a depth of 16 meters. The figure measures 52 meters and the sword 33 meters long. The Daikannon of Kita no Miyako Park, also known as the Hokkaido Kannon, as well as the Byaku Kannon, is the 3rd tallest statue in Japan, and is the 10th tallest statue in the world, tied with the Grand Buddha in Lushan. It was the tallest statue in the world when it opened in 1989 at 88 meters height, holding the world record until 1991. Planning of the statue began in 1975 and construction occurred through 1989. The statue depicts Guanyin and is in the Kita no Miyako Park on the island of Hokkaido. The statue contains over 20 floors with an elevator, with floors containing shrines and places of worship, 8 in total, and a platform providing a panoramic view of the area to visitors. Number 7. Great Buddha of Thailand, Thong, Thailand. Also known as the Big Buddha, Great Buddha of Thailand is the tallest statue in Thailand, the 2nd tallest statue in Southeast Asia, and the 7th tallest statue in the world. The statue was constructed on the order of the Phra Kru Vibul Arja Karhun, the first monk head of the Wat Muang Temple. Money was donated by Buddhists to build this statue. One can see the statue from very far, which has got the place ample fame. The statue is in the country, measuring a height of 92 meters. The construction of this statue started in 1990 and completed in 2008. The entire statue is made of cement and covered with golden paint. This giant Buddha statue was constructed by the principles of Theravada Buddhism. Number 6. Qianshou, Qianyan, Guanyin of Weishan, Hunan, China. This gilded bronze idol depicts a bodhisattva embodying the compassion of all Buddhas. An investment of 260 million yen was made by the Ningxian country government, with the help of local business and religious organizations to complete the construction of this statue in 2009. The Weishan Guanyin of the Thousand Hands and Eyes is located in Liangxiang, Hunan province, and is the 4th tallest statue in China, and the 6th tallest in the world, found at Minyan Temple and Chan Buddhist Temple. It is a gilded bronze monument depicting a manifestation of the Bodhisattva Kannon known as the Qianyan Qianshou Qianyan, meaning the elevated head thousand-armed Kannon, which stands at 99 meters tall. Number 5. Sendai Daikannon, Sendai, Japan. Sendai Daikannon is a 100 meters large statue of the gem-bearing Noyoran Kannon form of Kannon situated in Sendai, Japan. This is the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan and one among the top 5 tallest statues in the world. The statue represents the Japanese Buddhist Bodhisattva. The statue stands at the top of a hill in Sendai, providing a view from the many parts of the city. There is an elevator to take visitors at the top of the statue depicting the Bodhisattva Kannon from Shingon Buddhism. The construction of this statue was completed in 1991. Sendai Daikannon holds a jewel in her right hand to grant wishes and a water flask in her left hand to pour the water of wisdom. Through the elevators, tourists can reach the top of the statue and can view the entire city. Number 4. Ushiku Daibutsu, Ibaraki, Japan. Ushiku Daibutsu means Great Buddha in Ushiku, located in the Ushiku city of Japan. The statue has a height of 110 meters without measuring 10 meters tall of base area. Ushiku Daibutsu is also among the tallest statues in the world that was constructed in 1993. This statue of Lord Buddha is positioned on a lotus platform. As of 2018, it is among the top 5 tallest statues in the world. The statue portrays Amitabha Buddha and is constructed of bronze. It was built to celebrate the birth of Shinran, founder of the True Pure Land school of Buddhism. This Buddha statue was completely made of bronze. There are 4 different levels within the statue. Visitors can reach the top by using the elevator. At the first level, visitors can hear beautiful music. The second level is completely dedicated for scriptural studies. The third level is filled with 30,000 Buddha statues. From the top level, visitors can watch the beautiful gardens within the surroundings of the statue. Number 3. Laykyun, Sekkya, Khatakan, Taung, near Monywa, Myanmar. Standing on a 13.5 meters throne with a total height of 116 meters, Laykyun Sekkya is among the tallest statues in the world. It is a grand structure of Gautama Buddha in golden color. Construction of this statue started in 1996 and continued for 12 years. The statue was officially available for public visit in February 2008. Every element of this entire monument is detailed properly. It was the tallest statue in the world for a few months until the completion of the Spring Temple Buddha in September 2008. The Laykyun Sekkya statue depicts a standing Gautama Buddha next to the reclining statue of Gautama Buddha, depicting the scene of Mahaparinirvana. Number 2. Spring Temple Buddha, Lushan County, Henan, China. It is the second tallest statue in the world, measuring 153 meters in height, located in Henan, China. It's a grand statue representing Vairocana Buddha. Starting in 1997, the construction of this statue was completed in the year of 2008. The statue stands on a 20-meter tall lotus throne. The project as a whole was estimated to cost around $55 million, $18 million of which was to be spent on the statue. It was originally estimated to consist of 1,100 pieces of copper cast, with a total weight of 1,000 tons. It is created amidst a lotus-shaped throne. The Spring Temple Buddha derives its name from the nearby Tianru hot spring, whose water at 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit is renowned in the area for its curative properties. The Fuquan Temple, built during the Tang Dynasty, houses the Bell of Good Luck, placed on top of the Dragon Head Peak. This bronze bell weighs 116 tons. Number 1. Statue of Unity, State of Gujarat, India. The tallest statue in the world, the State of Unity, stands for the Iron Man of India, Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It would take around 4 statues of liberty arranged in top to bottom fashion just to reach Iron Man's head. Situated on a river island opposite to the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Kavdiya colony. The statue was inaugurated by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on the 31st of October 2018, the 143rd birth anniversary of Mr. Patel, and wins the title of the tallest statue in the world with a height of 182 meters. The Statue of Unity is built across the Sardar Sarovar Dam near the city of Vadodara. This is a towering reputation for the late Indian leader from his homeland, the western state of Gujarat. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served as the first Home Affairs Minister and Deputy Prime Minister after independence. The 600-foot monument to Iron Man costs around $200 million and serves the first position in the list of tallest statues in the world. Well, if you like this video, then I'm sure you are going to love to watch our video about world's most dangerous skyscrapers on our channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button for future notifications and never miss our videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.